The fate of a shipwrecked treasure could be decided in U.S. federal court. The Spanish government has filed a claim over the colonial-era booty a Florida firm discovered at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. The ship contained 500,000 gold and silver coins. Estimated value? $500 million. Divers from Odyssey Marine Exploration found the shipwreck and recently unloaded the booty in Tampa. The company won't say exactly where it made the discovery, but says the site was outside any country's territorial waters. Spain is calling the discovery suspicious and says the booty may have come from a wrecked Spanish ship. An attorney for the Spanish government says if the vessel were Spanish or removed from that country's waters, the treasure would belong to Spain. Odyssey's owners say they will notify any claimants once they determine the ship's identity. Rita Foley, The Associated Press.